Nah, this doesn't have anything to do with you. Believe me, this is all an indubitably me. My doing. This doesn't have anything to do with anyone but me. I did this to myself. Just like always. No matter where I go or whom I'm with, I make a mess of everything. The unmistakable conclusion is maybe I don't want friends or a family or home. Otherwise, I wouldn't keep sabotaging the possibility. Or maybe I just told myself I was trying. Either way, it's not working. And frankly, I'd rather get out of here before I completely ruin my reputation. There might be one or two people that still have a good opinion of me,